Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and this is my planner, and I'm really excited because this is my birthday spread, and this kit is by ShopJessicaHearts. This is called Aurora's Birthday. I was scouring the internet for the perfect birthday kit, and this shop more than delivered. These colors are stunning. The visuals, I don't love this girl here. That's the only thing. I don't dress like that, and I don't feel very inspired by that outfit, but everything else in this kit is perfection. The color palette, the pictures, like these date headers, I forgot what they're called. They're so beautiful. It's like cake in the background, and I can use this full box to replace the girl full box that I'm not using. Then we have the glitter headers, the little things, this heart locket, and behind the checklist. I just adore it. I'm using other stickers. These TV stickers are by Happy Blue Tree. I love their functional icons. They have so many. And then I'll be using these pencil stickers by Lexi Kylie Designs. And I will be using a few others. These birthday flat lays by Papershire that I've never used. I've had them for a year. I've never used them. And the OG Erin Condren planner designs, and this is from Boxed and Cactus. This matched the kit perfectly, I believe, so I was so excited to use these. And the payday stickers by Boxed and Cactus, these flat lay budget stickers, and then these makeup stickers by Hello Petite Paper, these fitness stickers by Hello Petite Paper, another birthday sticker sheet by Box and Cactus, and this was a freebie I got from Sticker Guru, their foil overlays that I'm really excited to use. Let's jump right in. I don't normally prepare all of my stickers before then. Sometimes I'll be scouring to try to find them, but I really took some time to kind of set down my icons because I kind of had an idea of what I want this spread to look like with a lot of flat lays. I am setting down my washi first. Every week, every time I sit down to plan, my system is a little bit different. Sometimes I'll set up my sidebar first, sometimes I'll set down my washi, my bottom washi, or sometimes I'll just start with the headers. So it just kind of depends on how my hands move. I've been doing this for the longest time. I have been planning for 6 years, like planning with stickers. So my hands just kind of have a brain of their own by now. And again, choosing that sidebar full box is the hardest task, especially when you have as many beautiful sticker designs to choose from. But I chose that cake sticker, which I loved. And now I'm using these little date dots from the Happy Planner. Y'all, let me know if you find a Happy Planner sticker book that has date dots, months, kind of like a seasonal book. I've been trying to find one and I just can't. And mine is running out, so I really need a new one, and I just kind of want the ease and the price on the Happy Planner sticker book. So let me know if you know of anything. I'm setting down my sidebar, my habit tracker, my goals for the week. This is not a very sidebar heavy week. I kind of let the bottom washi just kind of slide over into the sidebar. I don't normally do that. And I am setting down my Coffee Monday label and my little coffee sticker. I'm not putting a glitter header on top of my full boxes. I kind of regretted that. I usually do, but I just thought, oh, this is going to be a very sticker heavy spread. And this foil overlay was so luxurious. I loved it. And I am pairing these two stickers like it's my weekend. I sometimes like to do that, like pair two very similar looking full boxes. So they kind of create like a little weekend story. Now, like I mentioned, I kind of regretted not using a glitter header because it would have looked better with it. I don't know. It's just a me thing. And I even like ate up some of that space. I put a label over the bottom washi, which I don't normally do. And honestly, it's kind of killing my OCD, but it's okay. It turned out nice. I'm setting down like these dumbbell stickers by Hello Petite to mark my fitness lessons. And this payday stickers, like when they're as creative as these, just like really brighten up my day. I love how they look, and you kind of really get excited. And the laptop sticker is from the kit itself. I'm setting down some checklists. I'll be honest, like I try not to use so many checklists each week, but these checklists were so beautiful that I just had to add them in. So I'll just try to ignore my giant to-do list if it gets a little overwhelming, but they looked really nice. My TV sticker. And now I'm adding a lot of birthday stickers on February 9th, which is my birthday. At this time, it passed already, but I had a really amazing time. Like, my husband took flowers and a cake to my office. It was a huge surprise. I loved it. So I was so excited. Like, I turned 30, y'all. I hit the big 3-0, and I won't lie, like my knee immediately started hurting like the day after. Just kidding. No, really. But I'm really excited. Like, I'm 30, flirty, and thriving. Who knows that reference? Let me know in the comments. Although I'm not flirty. I have a husband, and well, I could say I'm thriving a little bit. I'm at a point in my life where I'm really happy with how everything is going. Like, I have a pretty high stress job, but it's also very rewarding, and I am doing something I love, which is, you know, putting myself out there on the internet, planning, sharing my tips with y'all. So I feel like I'm at that point in my life where I do feel happy. Let me know in the comments how you feel in this point of your life. Like, if you feel like you're really excited starting a project, or even if you're not. I just feel like we all have those ups and downs. So definitely, if you feel you need to push yourself a little bit harder, remember that yes, go out and reach your goals, but remember not to push yourself too hard or you'll burn out. Another part of my process is that I will block out some time. Like, even if I don't know exactly what is happening that day, I will set down a label sticker just to kind of block off that space, because I'm going to use it up anyway. So like, I try to make my planning process each day as simple as possible. So the more setup during the week I can do, the better. It makes it a little bit more efficient. And I mean, decorative planning is not about being efficient, of course. It's being about creative, decorative. It's the excitement of it all. But if you can make things a little bit easier, because my planner is very decorative and fun, but it is a tool. Like, despite all of these stickers and how crazy it looks, it is something that I legitimately use to stay organized. So I try to keep everything as easy as possible for me. Now I'm going in and filling everything out. I do struggle to sleep before 11 p.m. Y'all, I'm a night owl, but I'm also an early bird, so I need to, get my rest so I can wake up early and do my thing. So I'm filling in whatever I know is going to happen or whatever I know I need to do. Oh, and I added this extra shopping sticker from a happy blue tree. That's not something I mentioned at the beginning, and that's what I mean. Like, I'll go and scour my sticker collection. That was my spread. Let me know how you celebrate your birthday in the comments. I'm excited to know. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more planning content, and hit that bell for notifications. Thank you. Bye.